Welcome to Beast Web Designs. In this part, we will add products to our store. So let's get started.
Now go to your dashboard, and then go to Products. If you don't have Products option, then you need to install the Woocommerce plugin. Now add new product. Give your product a name. You can write any features here. OK, enter the price of your product. If it's on sale, then enter the discounted price as well. You can also set sale for a specific period. Just enter the beginning date of sale. And then end date of sale. Now here you can describe your product. You can add the image of your product from here. Click on Upload File. Then select your image. And then set product image. We need to edit this picture, so click on the picture. Crop from bottom. Press Enter. And then save it. And click on Set Featured Image. Now it looks good. And now click on Update. And now preview your product. OK, it looks perfect. Let's add another product. Give your product name. Then describe its features. This product will have variations. It will be available in 2 sizes and 2 colors. So select Variable Product. Now go to Attributes. And click on Add. Now enter the name of first attribute, which is size. Here enter the first value. And then add this symbol. And then add the second value. And then check Used for variations. And then click Save Attributes. Then add another attribute. Name it Color. Enter first value white, and second value black, and then save the attribute. Now go to Variations. Select Create Variations from all attributes. And click on Go. Just click OK. And your variations are added. Now expand these one by one. And change the values. Enter the price. Then select Picture for this variation. Repeat the process for each variation. Then describe your product. Now set the product image. Set the default variation for your product. You can leave it if you don't want to set any. Now save the changes. And publish your product. Then view your product. To see how it looks. This looks great. See how it's easy to create product variations. I hope you are enjoying this. Let me know in comments.
I have added some new products in different categories. Let's see how our website looks now. Yeah, everything is perfect. Let's open this one and see how it looks. Yeah, everything is great. Okay, now move to next point. Now I will like to add some new features to our home page like countdown sale. Let's edit our home page with UX Builder. Now click on plus sign to add new block. And then search for title. Here it is. Click on title to add it. Let's edit this and change it to hot deals. Change its style to center and make it a little bigger. Now it looks good. Now add another block. And search for countdown, here it is. You can adjust the date from here. Okay, now add another block. And search for on sale products. And add this. As soon as you add it will automatically display your products which are on sale. You can arrange the order from here. Either you want then in ascending or descending order. Let's see how it looks now. Okay, I want to display categories here. So add new block here. And search for categories and add them. You can customize how you want to display categories. Let's check all of them. Okay, I decided to choose this one. And let's apply this. Okay, if you want to choose custom categories, you can do this from here. Just select the desired categories. That's it. Now let's visit our site. Okay, everything looks great. The only thing missing on homepage is newsletter form. Okay, so now we are going to add the newsletter or sign up form. Let's go back where we left. And add new block at the bottom of page. And this time we go to Flotsam Studio. Here look for sign up. And then select this one. You can choose any of these you want. And then import it with images included. And definitely we need to create a sign up form for this. Now update it. So let's do it. Go back to dashboard. And then go to contact. And now edit this form. If there is no form you can just simply click on add new and it will create new form for you. Let's rename this to subscribe form. Here we need only email, so let's remove other detail. And then save it. And now go back to edit our home page. And click on the form we created earlier and go to Setting and select our form. That's it. Let's check this in real time. That's it for this part. Great. In next That's it, our part, we will homepage is customize the
almost
header and
completed.
we'll add our own logo and some other changes as well. I will see you in next video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe.